I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a test problem on percent. Question is, Sarah works in an antique store. She gets paid 5% of anything she sells in the store as well as $12 per hour. She came into the store at 10 a.m. and left for lunch at 1 p.m. She came back at 2 p.m. Part A of this question is, in the morning, she sold a painting for $6,000, two chairs for $500 each, and a vase for $400. How much did she earn in the morning? So that is the question for you. The part B is, after lunch, Sarah worked for 4 more hours and sold a dining table for $6,000 and a sculpture for $3,000. What is the total amount that Sarah earned so far day? That means including morning and afternoon. Okay. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Now here we are given that Sarah earns hourly rate also and on sales also. So we can say that the earnings E of Sarah will be equal to combination of hourly rate. So she get paid 5% of anything sold, that is sales, right? As well as $12 per hour. So per hour $12, that means 12 times number of hours, right? Plus 5% means 5 over 100. You can write 0.05 also of sales. That is how we can find her earnings. Now, in part A, can you tell me how much time she has worked? She came into the store at 10 a.m. okay, and left for lunch at 1. So from 10 she worked till 11, 12 and 1, 3 hours. So in the morning she worked for 3 hours, that is H, number of hours. And what is the sales? Sales is painting for $6,000. So let's find out what sales is. $6,000, one painting, okay, plus two chairs for 500 each. Each means 2 times 500, right? So 2 times 500, and a vase for 400 plus 400. That is the total sales. Let's add them up, right? So this is 1,000, 6,000, 1,000, 7,400. So it is 7,400, right? You can actually take a calculator to do this question. Now we know number of hours Sarah has worked, total amount of sales in dollars. So we can find her earnings. How much did she earn in the morning? So in the morning she earned, let me write down here, earning is equal to 12 times 3, 12 times 3, we'll write it in brackets, plus 5 out of 100, 5 out of 100, 5%, right, times 7,400, correct? So 100 cancels, and we get 12 times 3 as 36, you can use calculator, plus 74 times 5, 5 times 4 is 20, 0, 2, 35 and 2 is 37, right? So that is the total sales, right? Commission on sales. When you add these two, you get her earning in dollars. Let me write dollars here. And 6 plus 0, 3 plus 7 is 10, 0, 1, so get $406. Do you get an idea? So that is how you can find her sales in the morning hours. Now the second part is, after lunch Sarah worked for 4 hours. That means we know that after lunch, let me use different ink, it is 4 hours time, right? And she sold table for 6,000, sculpture for 3,000. So selling is 6,000 plus 3,000, correct? Now you can substitute these values, find the earnings in the afternoon, which will be 12 times 4 plus 5% means 5 over 100 of this amount, which is 9,000. You see that? So when you simplify 100, that is how. It's easier, right? So you get 48 plus 5 times 9 is 45 and a 0, 450. So in the afternoon, she earns 8, 4 and 5 is 9 and 4, right? Now the question is, what is the total amount that Sarah earned so far today? So total earning, right? So we say total earning, add them all. So the first one was, let me highlight, $406, right? And then so many dollars. So let's add them, right? So we have 406 plus 498. So 8 and 6 is 14, 4 plus 1, so 10, 1 more, 9, 4 plus 4. So many dollars. It's good to write units. Let's write dollars. So our answer is, her earning is $904, right? So the answer is $904, and in this case the answer is $406, correct? I'd like you to go through this video, understand the concepts, try it out. It's a very important question. Thank you and all the best.